Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic search engine optimization. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of optimizing your websites to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results. The goal of SEO is to attract more organic traffic to your website. SEO involves on page and off page optimization techniques. Why is SEO important? SEO improves website visibility, increase organic traffic, builds trust and credibility with users, and boosts conversion rates and revenue. Components of SEO. Keyword research is crucial for SEO success. On-page optimization include title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Off-page optimization involves building quality backlinks. Our approach to SEO. Our SEO strategy includes keyword research, on-page optimization, technical SEO, content creation, link building, and analytics tracking. Our client success stories increased website traffic by 50% through targeted keyword research and optimization, improved search engine ranking for competitive keywords, generated more leads and revenue for clients through effective SEO strategies. Here are some key aspects of SEO. Keyword research. Understanding which keyword and phrases your target audience is using to search for information related to your website's content or products. This involves identifying high value relevant keywords. On page SEO. Optimizing individuals' web pages to improve their search engine ranking. This includes optimizing meta tags, title description, using relevant keywords in the content, optimizing images, improving page load time, and ensuring mobile friendliness. Content creation, creating high quality content, informative and engaging content that addresses the need and interest of your target audience. Content can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Technical SEO. Optimizing the technical aspects of your website include site structure, URL structure, schema markup, and ensuring that search engine crawlers can access and index your site easily. Link building. Acquiring high quality backlinks link from other websites to yours to improve your website's authority and credibility. Natural organic link building strategies are preferred over manipulative practices. Local SEO. Optimizing your websites for local search if you have a physical location or serve a specific geographic area. This includes creating and optimizing a Google My Business profile, managing online reviews, and ensuring consistent name, address, phone number, information. User experience. Ensuring that your website provides a positive user experience including easy navigations, clear call to action buttons, and mobile responsiveness, which can indirectly impact SEO ranking, analytics, and monitoring. Using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track website performance, monitor keyword rankings, and gather insights into user behavior. SEO audits. Conducting regular audits of your website to identify issues such as broken links, duplicate contents, or technical problems that may affect SEO. Algorithm updates. Staying informed about search engine algorithm updates, particularly those from major search engines like Google, and adjusting your SEO strategies accordingly. Content marketing. Promoting your content through various channels, including social media, email marketing, and guest posting, to increase visibility and attract more organic traffic. SEO tools. Using a variety of SEO tools and software to assist with keyword research, on page optimization, link analysis, and monitoring website performance. Thank you for considering the importance of SEO in your online presence. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.